Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. This is Emil Rodriguez and today you're going to learn 11 is functions. Is functions are functions whose names start with is, and what they do is to provide information about your data. For instance, the ISTEXT function gives you information about whether your data is text or not. They're useful when they're used as part of a more complex formula. But this is an introductory tutorial and I'm not going to use complex formula. So let's get it started. So here I have divided the functions into three categories: error test, number test, and order test. So and in each category you have we are going to type some functions here, and here the value. So the first, any error, so we are going to use the is error actually for check whether this value is error. Okay, so we check using it, we check the A3, okay, it's false, and then is error for any error except value not available. So and here for value not available error is NA, value not available error. Okay, and as you see here is blank and we have all our false because there is no error actually because it is blank. And if we enter 12, then we also have no error because no error simply. But if we now enter the not available, sorry, is NA is not correct, the not available NA error, we see that any error is true, any error is true, and not available error is true, and any error except not available true is false. And if we change this value to the value error, we gotta see that okay, this is true, and this is false simply. And for number test, as you see, number test, okay, we're going to check where it is number. Is number, check where it is. If number, true, otherwise false, so it's false. Even, check where the number is even, okay, is even, H7, true. And is odd, where the number is odd, okay. And as you see here, it is blank and you have this value. We enter 0, we have this number true, even, true, odd, false, and we change this value to text using the quotation marks. And as you see, we got error in even odd because it is not a number and we have number false. Okay, so you have to take care of this using the even and odd functions. Okay, so take care of this always. Now we are going to the other test, so text, non-text, blank, reference, logical, and we are going to start with text. Is text, checks where the value is text actually. A non-text is non-text where the value is not text. Okay, blank is blank, checks where the value is blank actually. And reference is ref, check whether your argument is actually a valid reference. Okay, A11 true. Okay, logical checks whether is a boolean value or a logical value. Okay, is logical. Okay, is logical. And the value is blank here is false, true, not because it is blank. Okay, not text. Blank true. Okay, reference true because A11 is a valid reference. Logical false because it's blank, it is not boolean value or logical value. Okay, we enter true as a text, so text true, non-text false, blank false, reference true, okay, and logical false because of the text. Okay, and now we convert this to a logical value. Okay, and as you see here, we now have the logical is true because it is a true. Okay, it's logical value, and text false, non-text true because it's a logical value, and blank false because it's not empty, and reference stays true. And if you note the A11, the argument is what does really matter. If we enter 12, okay, it becomes false because 12 is not a valid reference. But if we enter something like A7 colon A11, that would be a valid reference, okay? So the argument of ISREF doesn't really matter. So now you have learned 11 is function, and there might be more to learn, of course. By the way, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment and subscribe for your video. Have a good time, keep going, and be positive. Goodbye.